welcome to Always Alyssa. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Alyssa, of course. I have a very exciting, different, and unique video for today. I have to admit though, I think it's probably going to take a really long time to film, but I think it's all going to be worth it and that you guys are going to absolutely love it. That might leave you guys wondering, what am I doing in today's video? Well, guess what? I am going to be trying on every single thing in my entire closet. Oh my gosh, I am really excited for this. Like I said, it's probably gonna take me a long time, maybe even a couple hours, I don't know. But I think it's gonna be a lot of fun because I get to try on every single thing. And I'm probably gonna end up finding something in there that I've like forgotten about. So it's gonna be fun. First things first, I think I'm just gonna show you guys my closet first so you can get a good look at everything that's in it. Let's turn on the lights here. It can get a bit dark. Okay, here's my closet at a glance. I know it does look a little bit messy, but like, I feel like it doesn't look so bad in real life. Okay, so here's all of my jackets. On the left side, I've got my hats here, more hats and beanies, hats up there. And then some of this stuff isn't closed, so we're not gonna really try these on. I mean, maybe we will, I don't know. But then here is some pants, jackets. In here, we've got pants and leggings. More leggings, kind of some random sweaters and stuff, and then a bunch of bathing suits, some fancy shirts, and all of my queen shirts. Here's all my soccer gear. On the right side is where I keep all of my dresses. Some of these are actually kind of new, so I'm excited to try them on for you guys. Back here are just a couple of costume pieces, including Miss Johnson back there, and also this sparkly jacket. Headbands, of course, more headbands. And under the dresses down here is just a bunch of super random stuff like beanies and gloves and scarves. Oh man, I don't know if I'm ready for this. I just looked in there and I'm like, that actually is like a lot of stuff that I'm gonna have to try on. Am I ready? I don't know. And there's 2 pairs of shoes up there. And here's where I keep all my socks. Do you guys think I can do this? You know what? I think I can. I'm gonna do it. You know what? I think that we should start with dresses because those are some of my favorite things in my entire closet and I think that would be a fun one to start off with. I've been thinking for a minute and I decided that I'm gonna go section by section. So first of all, dresses and then jackets, socks, leggings. I'm just gonna pick one and do all of those first. All right, we're gonna do this a little bit at a time. So these are the 4 dresses that we're starting off with. We got pink, green, bluish pink, and purple. All right, we got the first dress on. This is a super cute green one that I got at Macy's. I feel like I got most of my dresses at Macy's, but I really love this one. The fabric is actually really comfortable and I think it looks pretty cute. It's a good color too. Time for the next dress. Here we have dress number 2. I really do love this one. First of all, it's so pink. It's literally so bright. I do love that part, but the shoulders are pretty cute. And it has this cute little belt. It actually does have pockets too, which is so cool. I could literally put my phone in there. So amazing. But yeah, let me just give you a full look. I actually like this one. It's pretty comfortable too. Like I could wear this for a long time and not get uncomfortable in it. I kind of like the back of the neck and the front of the neck. This one's cute. Dress number 3. This one is so sparkly. I do really love the color, but I pretty much just got this for the sparkles, I have to admit. I mean, look how pretty they are. They're like the iridescent, or what's the word? It's either holographic, no, iridescent, I don't know. Whatever the word is, I think you guys know what I'm talking about, but I really love this dress. This is a very similar style to the green one that I tried on, just the green one was a little bit more comfortable with the fabric, but I still love this one. Dress number 4, this is definitely one of my favorite dresses of all time. It's pretty new still. I actually wore this for the first time, I think, when we went on our cruise. I wore this for formal night. It's so pretty, super twirly. I really love this style of skirt where it's like tight fitting here, but then it like goes out for a skirt. I love that so much. Oh my gosh, you guys, this has pockets. I had no clue. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so excited. I actually had no idea that this had pockets. Look. Okay, can you tell? Look, it's like right there. Oh my gosh. I literally just found that out like right now. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. How did I not notice that before? Wow. I can't believe I've worn this a couple times and I never do that. That's crazy. Here are the next dresses I'm going to be trying on. Some of them are just a little bit more casual dresses, but they're still cute. So let's try them on. Dress number 5. This is a cute little, you know, summer dress, super comfortable, and it actually has cute colors. I like the ombre, how it goes from light to medium to dark. It's a little bit twirly, super comfortable. This one isn't my favorite, but it is comfortable and it has pockets, so that's cute. This one is just simple, cute pink dress. This next one is also a super pretty twirly summer dress, and it's also ombre, but like almost a prettier ombre, I think. I mean, look how pretty that is. The skirt is super big. Let's check out the twirl on this. Very pretty. I'm definitely going to be wearing this one next time I go to Disneyland. It has little Minnie Mouses all over it. I do really like this one. I actually wore it on my birthday. Super cute. I think this is actually the first jean dress I've ever owned or worn, really, and I love it so much, especially the belt. Like, it's really cute. Even though I do really like this dress, there's just one little problem. It kind of clashes with my skin tone a little bit, which I didn't really like, and so I decided the only way to fix that was to pair it with something like this jacket. See, that's already like so much better. You know what, guys? I don't know if I really like this one or not. I can't really decide. I mean, it's the top is cute. I just don't know about the rest, but it's the only pantsuit in my entire closet. So yeah, this one's kind of unique. This one is a sweater dress, so very different than most of my dresses. Guys, this is actually one of my favorite dresses. I don't know why, but I just love it so much, especially this cute little thing in the middle, the little lace kind of thing. But also the back is super cute, and I love the skirt so much. Now this dress is the one that all of the bridesmaids wore at my aunt's wedding. It's a little bit hard to tell in this lighting because it's kind of red outside, but it's really pretty, like reddish pink sparkles. Do you see that? And it has this pretty bow on the shoulder, so I like that. It's pretty cute. I have to be honest, for this one, even though it's really, really cute, I can't wear it for too long at a time or else it does get a little bit uncomfortable, especially because this is shorts, like a romper instead of a dress. But I still love it. The color's super cute, and of course, all the sparkles. Now we're getting on to some more sparkly dresses. I really love the fit of this one. It fits me great, and of course, again, ombre. All the sparkles, all the pink. This one is one of my favorites. I love it. This one is definitely a bit of a Christmas dress, but I still love it because it's kind of like the flip sequin, which is so cute. Another pink sparkly one. Funny story about this one. When we got it, we didn't know that it was strapless. And we kind of realized that when we got home. Like, I never buy the strapless dresses, but we got this at a place where we can't like return it really because we got it for free. So yeah, I'm a little bit stuck with it for now, but I mean, it is still cute, so we'll see. So now I have officially tried on all of my dresses, and it's time to move to one of the other categories in my closet. Now we're gonna move on to jackets. This one is so cute. I absolutely love the colors so much, and also these are unbuttoned because you can, like, you know, roll it up to make it shorter or whatever. But check out the back of this. Look, it says family fun pack. I absolutely love this one. The colors are amazing. I like this one because it has little stars all over it, and it's actually more comfortable than most jean jackets. Look at the stars. This one says Alyssa right up here on the front with a little heart. And I believe it also says Always Alyssa on the back. This one's a little bit more baggy, but it has like this cool checkered look, so I do like that part. I really like this one. It fits great, and it's like a classic jean jacket look. I am just now realizing how many jean jackets I have. This one isn't real jean, so it's like super soft, but it's still adorable. It's kind of like a light pinkish color, and I know it doesn't look good with the shirt that I'm wearing, but trust me, when it's with something else, it's really cute. This one is not only super cute, but I got it from my great grandma, which is so cool because look at this. It's got this super cute little pattern with palm trees all over it. It's really cute. I love this one. Those are all my jean jackets, and now we're gonna move on to leather, which I have a few. I know this one is definitely not real leather, but it's sort of like the look of one, so I'm just considering it leather for the video. But anyways, I like this one. The pockets are cute. It's pretty soft, very comfortable, and it would definitely look cute with the right outfit. I have to say this one is definitely my favorite out of the three. This one is so cool. I love it. But again, same thing with the other two. This would definitely look better with like a better outfit. But I just put on a basic white shirt and jeans shorts, so I could try on a bunch of jackets. But anyways, I really like this one. I'll give you guys a little bit of a close-up. I don't really know if there's anything on the back. I don't think so, but yeah, I love this one. This one is super cool, especially when it's zipped up, so let me show you. It's actually a Star Wars one that I got from my aunt. Zips up all the way like that, and check out the back. So cool, right? This one is a Marvel jacket, but the cool part is it's reversible. Look how cool that is now that it's reversed, and let me zip it up so you guys can get a better look. Let's see. Super cool, right? Now we're moving on to some of the more basic and casual sweaters and jackets. This is another one of my favorite jackets in my entire closet. I just really, really love this one. Super fluffy and cute. This is my jacket from Super Mix, and it has so many cute patches. Check out the back too. So cute. Again, another one of my favorites, and check out how it's yellow on the inside and bluish purple on the outside. So pretty. Ooh, I really love this one. It almost looks like it's so puffy, but it's comfortable. I love the colors. So cute. I love this one so much. It's so fancy. Again, this one would look definitely better with leggings or something, but it's super cute. I really love the colors on this one. I wear all the time. Sweater. Now I'm going to be trying on all of my pants. Here's the first pair, just some normal jeans. Second pair of jeans. Third pair of jeans. Fourth pair of jeans. I just got these black leather pants and I love them so much. They're actually super comfortable and they fit really cute. Some purple Adidas pants. Some Adidas pants. These shiny pants are also really comfortable and so cool. I cannot wait to wear these somewhere. Now we're going to be trying on every single one of my hats. Now that we've done all the hats and beanies, we're gonna move on to something else. My shirts, but I don't have that many in my closet, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I have this super cute pink one with puffy sleeves. First Stop Survivor. Then we got this one. And this is actually my art on a shirt. And my queen shirts, of course. Here's this one. This is my favorite. A couple Marvel ones. Now it's time to try on all of my headbands. Wow, okay, I can't believe that I just tried on everything in my closet. Like, that actually took so long, actually kind of longer than I thought it did. That was crazy. You guys definitely let me know in the comments what part of the video was your favorite. If you liked the jackets, the headbands, the hats, the dresses. For me, I would have to say probably the dresses, and there's also the pants too, but I would definitely say the dresses. There were some sparkly ones in there, and I love wearing dresses. So that was probably my favorite part, but make sure you comment and tell me your favorite part. Make sure to give me a thumbs up before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, thanks for watching.